Get those fresh henna cones out and let's get started. Let's start with 3 lines. Lines are pretty difficult to draw, so just take your time on this step. Over my line, I'm going to draw 1 row of petals. Over my petals, I'm going to draw 1 row of dots. I'm going to draw an outline over my dots. Now let's draw a cluster of roses. If you're not sure on how to draw these roses, please check my previous video where I've already covered this. I'll leave a link down below. Now let's draw these little leaves. These leaves can be pretty difficult to draw. If you'd like me to make a video focusing on just this, please leave a comment below and let me know. Here I'm going to go in and draw a mixture of vines and leaves. Again, these are pretty tricky, but with time and practice you'll get them. I'm adding a few finishing touches just to complete the look. Now I'm going to draw a set of 3 roses going diagonally upwards. Finishing this look with a few lines going diagonally upwards. Lastly, I'll add a few little dots to finish it off. So here's our finished look. If you found this video to be helpful in any way, do hit that like, subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.